Please welcome Snowflake Chief Executive Officer, Sridhar Ramaswamy.
Hello, Data Nation. Woo! Welcome to Snowflake Summit. The energy in here is electric. And I have to start by simply saying thank you. Thank you for being here with us. Woo! We have people from all over the world representing every industry imaginable, coming together to do more with their data. And doing more with data is not just about the technology. It's about learning and being inspired. It's about pushing one another forward. It's about working together to build a culture around data and AI within your organizations. This is our biggest summit yet, and I'm confident it's going to be the best. Woo! This week, we have the privilege of hearing from many of you, our customers. You're the heart of this community. After 522 sessions this week, 482 of them will feature your stories, your learnings, and your successes. We are also joined by over 3,000 incredible partners. Our partners play a critical role in expanding what's possible with Snowflake. They help our customers get things done. They help us all go further, faster with Snowflake. And of course, to our superheroes, big thanks to our developers, our builders. Woo! Thank you for pushing boundaries and for pioneering us all forward. We can't wait to learn from you this week. It's amazing for me to be here with you today. I'm 15 months into my time as CEO at Snowflake, and already it's been the most amazing experience. When I first joined this company, one thing stood out to me immediately: Snowflake's unwavering obsession with its customers. It's part of what made me want to be a part of this company's journey. Over the past year, I've been hyper-focused on two things. The first is listening and learning from all of you. I've spent a lot of time on the road, getting to know many of you, hearing about your challenges, your successes, all to understand how Snowflake can better serve you. And the second thing that I've been focused on is innovating, putting your feedback into action, making AI come alive. We are innovating at a pace faster than any other company on the planet. And I couldn't be more proud of our progress. You're going to be blown away by our new capabilities and the roadmap. I won't spoil it for you, but you do not want to miss tomorrow's platform keynote right here. Woo! At Snowflake, our mission is to empower every enterprise to achieve its potential with data and AI. AI is fundamentally changing the way we work, the way we operate in our daily lives. And it's early. It's going to keep changing. The world's hardest and most ambitious ideas, from personalized medicine based on your genetic data, to autonomous factory floors, even virtual shopping experiences. These things aren't really science fiction anymore. They can become realities through the power of data and AI. And we are here to help you get there. At Snowflake, we help remove friction, break down silos, and make the complex feel effortless. We help you unlock outcomes with data that were previously unimaginable. Snowflake is the place where data does more. Woo! Take a company like Caterpillar. It's a century-old, it's an iconic company. They've been building machines and engines for over 100 years. Today, Caterpillar is using data to make their operations even smarter. They're using the Snowflake AI Data Cloud as part of their digital platform to create a unified view of customer and dealer operations, turning siloed data into real-time insights. They're building capabilities that allow their customers to monitor and manage equipment availability, utilization, service, and so much more, all in real time. And then there's pharmaceutical leader AstraZeneca, who are using their data foundation to accelerate productivity across businesses and get critical drugs in the hands of patients that need them. Let's take a look at their amazing story.
I'm here at AstraZeneca to develop new medicines that can help treat and maybe someday cure diseases like cancer.
We have 118 data products out there now that is now releasing and unlocking the value of, I would say, thousands of hours in terms of productivity and over $10 million in terms of savings to us. The data tells us that lung disease, we have early detection. We are able to improve survival rates by 90%.
Faster innovation means faster breakthroughs in our science, and that means greater outcomes for our patients.
Amazing. That's an incredible story. Woo. And we'll hear even more from AstraZeneca live in tomorrow's keynote. Stories like Caterpillar's and AstraZeneca are enabled by the way we design our technology. That's our mission in action. That's what it looks like when your data does more. Now, it's no secret that I'm a bit of a geek. Anyone who knows me will tell you I love tinkering, I love building, I love experimenting. But the true magic of a great technology is taking something that's very complicated and making it feel easy. The key to a great solution is simplicity. You can choose checkboxes on functionality, string together solutions, and pass along all of that complexity to all of you, the end users. The cracks show. Complexity creates risk. Complexity creates cost. Complexity creates friction and makes it harder to get the job done. Whereas simplicity, it drives results. And that's why we hold simplicity at the heart how we design products, how we design Snowflake. We give you an AI data cloud that's easy to use. We make it easy to implement. We make it easy to share, collaborate, use, and build with data. We make it easy for you to get value from your data, whether you are a data analyst, or a data scientist, or a business user. And that simplicity has never been more important than it is right now in the age of AI. You should be able to ask a question with a voice memo and get an answer on your enterprise data. You should be able to launch a customer app without having to write a line of code. You should be able to harness the world's best AI models to create agents that are tailored for your business. And that's how simplicity drives innovation. And that's why Snowflake AI is designed for ease of use. We've helped companies like BlackRock build agentic tools that equip their client-facing teams with innovative solutions for even stronger client engagement. TripAdvisor uses Snowflake AI to cut through the noise, filter out unwanted spam so they can focus on real customer feedback and act on it faster. Thomson Reuters launched AI-powered agents that deliver real-time insights to business users, removing technical dependencies and bottlenecks that got in the way. And Penske built a summarization model in just weeks that improved not only supply chain performance, but also the safety of all of their associates. Thousands of you are using the Snowflake AI and machine learning to accelerate things from insurance underwriting to analysis of investor reports. Underpinning all of these results is a strong, capable data foundation. I've said it before, there is no AI strategy without a data strategy. Data is the fuel for AI. And Snowflake's AI Data Cloud is powered by a connected ecosystem of data. We have thousands of customers sharing data apps and models with one another on our Snowflake marketplace. We have over 3,000 listings from over 750 partners. Your data spans teams, departments, even organizations. Using Snowflake, industry leaders like Stripe, Rakuten, State Street, and more are securely sharing data with their partner and customer ecosystem. And in many cases, they have hundreds of live connections. These connections can now be enriched with AI chatbots to surface proprietary data faster and more efficiently, all using the power of conversational language. And that's the power of the AI Data Cloud. It is a financial firm like S&P Data, tapping into them for real-time market intelligence. Or a media titan like NBC Universal, using Snowflake data clean rooms to securely share and analyze data from across its businesses to help advertisers reach the right audience without compromising end-user privacy. That connectivity creates fluid access to data wherever it sits, and it empowers you to elevate business performance. And of course, enterprise-grade performance requires enterprise-grade trust. Every example I've shared is encased with built-in governance, always-on security, and automated compliance and recovery. Our recent Department of Defense IL-5 authorization is powerful validation of the trust that's placed in our AI Data Cloud to support mission-critical government as well as defense workloads. And already, we have leaders like our own city of San Francisco using Snowflake to get a unified view of their data to make informed decisions that better serve local constituents. And New York City Health and Hospitals uses Snowflake to get a holistic view of their patients so that they can deliver faster, better care to vulnerable populations, including the homeless. We know these are high-stakes scenarios, but you need best-in-class security and governance when it comes to sensitive and personal information, and that's what Snowflake provides. You need data you can trust. That's why Snowflake has placed such a huge emphasis on retrieval quality and accuracy in AI. It's why Cortex has a market-leading 90+% accuracy when it comes to AI chatbots. And we're not stopping there. We know you need to move ahead with confidence that the right people are using the right data for the right purpose. With Snowflake, we help you do more with your data end to end. From the inception of data to getting insights from it, we help you at each stage of the data lifecycle. Early on in the data journey, we help companies like BPX Energy bring together analytical and transactional data into a single platform, empowering their petroleum engineers with a complete view of well data so that they can optimize development. And with Snowflake connectors, organizations like WorkWave and Securonics can ingest real-time events and transactions, transform them on the fly, and make the data analysis ready instantly. We also give you flexibility and control of your data. Snowflake supports modern, open table formats, and now you can take advantage of the incredible Snowflake capabilities in the core, like data sharing, security, performance optimization, using Apache Iceberg. And companies like Booking.com, Illumina, Komodo Health, and Whoop are leveraging this flexibility to manage and query data at scale without compromising on security or performance. From there, you can streamline and scale your data pipelines. Chicago Trading Company, for example, moved its transformation workloads into Snowflake using Snowpark. And by this consolidation, they saved 54%, amounting to millions of dollars annually. Once your data is in Snowflake, we help you unlock its full value with world-class analytics. BMW Group's decades of vehicle service data now runs on Snowflake, enabling dealerships and garages to instantly access service histories, work more efficiently, and deliver faster repairs to customers. And AI takes it one step further. Using Cortex, global telecom leader Ericsson is laying the foundation for autonomous telecom networks. They're using Cortex to detect anomalies in real time, resolve them using agentic orchestrators, and streamline customer support along the way, improving both reliability as well as response time. And it's not just about what you do today. We help you figure out what's next. This is why I'm excited to share that Snowflake has agreed to acquire Crunchy Data, a leading provider of open source Postgres technology to help developers build, innovate, and scale using the tools. Yay! Postgres is truly amazing, and it's going to be right inside Snowflake so that you can get the performance, the governance, and scale that Snowflake is known for with the familiarity and openness that comes with Postgres. We are doubling down on that momentum behind Postgres and investing in its future while preserving the openness, the extensibility, and developer-first ethos that make it great. Your data does more with Snowflake, no matter the industry, no matter the challenge or the opportunity ahead of you. We are helping our customers push the boundaries of innovation at each and every stage of the data and AI journey. And there's no better way to demonstrate that than from hearing from one who truly exemplifies what you can do by moving to this data-first mindset. When you think of instances where data is critical, you think of the New York Stock Exchange. Every day, they manage staggering volumes of data that power global markets and impact millions of people and businesses. With Snowflake, they're not just managing the data, they're unifying it, collaborating across their ecosystem, and using AI to streamline operations and shape the future of trading. They're a true pioneer. And I can't wait for you to learn more about their story.